Now come to question number 10. Translation is there. You will recall the tenses and you will do this question. Okay. Now question number 11. Write 10 verbs and do calligraphy of the following sentences. There is sentences there. You will do again writing practice of this sentence, and also you will write 10 verbs. You will not write that verbs again which you have written in your previous worksheet. You will write more 10 verbs there. Okay. Question number 12 is there. Correct the following sentences. Again you will read these sentences and you will do correct. Okay. Now we have worksheet number 6. Worksheet number 6, question number 1. Make the following sentences singular by using the indefinite article. As you know, indefinite articles are a and definite article is the. So here you will write indefinite article and you will also make the sentence in singular form. Okay. First one is cows are animals. It is in plural form. You will change it in singular form and you will write here cow is an animal. An is indefinite article and we did it. We changed this sentence in singular form and then we add indefinite article there. You will do other sentences like this. Okay, question number 8 is there. Change the following sentences into passive voice. Again passive voice are there. You will recall the previous active voice, passive voice, and you will do this question. Okay. Translation is there. Question number 9. Translate into English. Recall the future tense and do these sentences. Okay. Now we have worksheet number 7. Question number 1. Define optative sentences and give 10 examples. Optative sentences, student, here optative sentences are, if I say in Urdu, duaiya jumle. When we give some good words to someone, these are called optative sentences. Define optative sentences and give all 10 example. If I say in example, oh Allah bless you, it is an optative sentence. Okay, second question. Define conjunction and interjection and give 5 example for each. Okay student, you will define conjunction and interjections and you will write 5 example for each. Then we have question number 3. Use the following adjectival phrases in your own sentences and it must describe a noun. You will use these adjectival phrases in your sentences and you will describe, and it should be describe a noun. In the middle you will use this in sentences and in add a noun there. Okay, you will do other sentences like this. Okay, then we have column. You will read A column and also read B column and then do this question. There are some words given and you do this, match these words with their um, opposite opposite side. Okay. Then we have question number 4. Write a paragraph by using following words. There are some words given to you people. Use these words and make a paragraph like splashes, umbrellas, sidewalk, trees, rainy season, monsoon, puddles, excitement. You will write an paragraph. You will write a paragraph and use these words in paragraph. Okay student, then we have question number 5. Write sentences to illustrate the different meaning of these 4 pair of homophones. You know better, homophones are the words which have same sound but they have different meanings. You will use these words in sentences. Okay. Then we have translation into English. You will translate these sentences in English. Then question number 8. Change the following into active voice. Again active voice, passive voice are there. You will do this question again like you did in your previous worksheet. Okay, question number 9. Again, write 15 verbs and do calligraphy of the following sentences. There are two sentences. Life is like an ice cream, so enjoy it before it melts. And second one is share your smile with the world. You write those sentences, these two sentences, and you will do calligraphy of these sentences. Okay. Then we have translation. Again, translation is there. You will do translation and recall tenses first and then do this translation. Okay student, thank you so much.